What's up, XRP holders? Bullish momentum is returning to the crypto market and to XRP as I'm spotting this bullish crossover on the MACD, which is right now confirmed. And last time the XRP price rallied almost 600%, guys. So are we about to see something similar? I want to discuss this. I also want to talk about some on-chain metrics that are telling us something right now about the current price action and about what we should expect going forward. I also want to discuss the CPI data, inflation, which just got released and which will have a tremendous impact on the crypto market. So all of this and much more in this crucial video. Let's get straight into it. First, of course, smash up the like button. Can we get this one once again back above 1,000 likes, and let's get straight into the content. So guys, this is the 4 daily time frame for XRP. On the lower side of the screen you can see the MACD indicator, and this indicator basically measures momentum. Now what is interesting to focus on is that we can see a bullish crossover, which is right now confirmed here on the moving averages of the MACD. Now the last time this happened on the 4 daily time frame was literally at the beginning of November, or you could say at the end of October last year, and the XRP price literally did almost a 6x in just a few weeks afterwards, guys. So are we about to see something similar this time around? That would of course be interesting to see. But not only this, guys, if we enable the bull flag, which we discussed in the last few videos, then you can also see that this, and let me first of all remove these red lines, but you can see that this bull flag breakout is still going according to plan and is still active. Now the technical price target is $11. But keep in mind, guys, this will not happen just in a straight line. We will also face some temporary resistance around the $5 area and also at the prior high at $3.40 for XRP. But yeah, the price action looks very strong and very bullish right now. Also, guys, if we enable the volume here on the bottom side of the screen, I hope you can see it, but you can see that volume is literally almost dead right now. There is no interest from retail investors. We can also see that if we take a look at centralized exchange volume from the past 6 months, volume spiked significantly in December last year, and that is also visible if we take a look at centralized exchange volume. And if we take a look at the past 6 months, then you can see that volume spiked significantly in December when XRP had that massive rally, but right now volume is almost completely dead, guys. And this shows you that retail got shaken out, got flushed out of the crypto market. This is the moment of opportunity, guys. Also, if we take a look at the Google Trends indicator, here I posted earlier today, retail interest in XRP fell sharply after December 2024 peak. Google searches down nearly 70%. Perfect, I'm buying. And you can see that, yes, we're seeing a slight uptick in the short term, but just keep in mind from the December highs, we are still down significantly. And this shows you that this is the moment of opportunity. You want to take profits, you want to sell your positions whenever retail is extremely interested, and you want to look for new positions or build positions whenever retail is not in the market. And that is exactly what we're seeing right now. And now, guys, earlier today, the US Consumer Price Index, or CPI, reported an annual inflation rate of 2.3% for April, and this was actually lower than expectations, which is very bullish for the market. Now this decline is largely attributed to a significant drop in gasoline prices. Now there are also some alternative measures such as Trueflation. I like to use this tool as well, and this is indicating that real-time inflation could be as low as 1.58%, and this is suggesting that inflation is not only under control but potentially also below the Federal Reserve's 2% target or objective. Now what does this mean for crypto? Lower inflation increases the likelihood of the Fed implementing rate cuts, which could inject significant liquidity into the markets, and historically such conditions have been favorable for risk assets, including cryptocurrencies like XRP. So yeah, guys, all eyes are currently on Fed Chair Jerome Powell's upcoming speech this Thursday at 8:40 a.m. Eastern time, so be on the lookout for that. And I would say, given the recent inflation data, any dovish signals or indications of forthcoming rate cuts could be very bullish for the crypto market. As some of you already know, I've recently launched a brand new free trade group in collaboration with the Phoenix Exchange, because I truly believe the next few months in crypto could be absolutely life-changing. And I don't say that lightly. I mean, the opportunities we're seeing right now are massive, and that's exactly why I created this group. Inside this group, I share my exact day trades, my scalp trades. You can follow follow my full strategy step by step. There's also a community chat where you can talk directly with me and connect with the other serious traders. I want to build a very strong community. If you're interested, click the first link in the video description and you will get directed to my free Signal group. Also guys, if you're looking to buy or trade your altcoins, I definitely recommend Phoenix. I use the Phoenix exchange. They have high liquidity. It's an A-book exchange, which means that they're in the same category as, for example, Bybit or Binance or Coinbase. So I would definitely recommend it. If you use my link down below, you're also eligible for massive welcome bonuses. So definitely check it out. Now guys, bear with me in the video for just a minute or two. I'm going to show you the short-term price action as well. But first off this, as we discussed yesterday, the US and China have agreed to a 90-day reduction in tariffs. And this temporary reduction in tariffs has alleviated some recession fears and positively impacted market sentiment. Now, today the US president said that China has agreed to open up to the United States for trade and anything else. So of course, very nice words here from the president. Also a few hours ago, he said it's amazing what a rising market will do. It's going to go a lot higher. So yeah, very interesting developments here going on. And if we combine all of these developments, lower than expected inflation, potential upcoming rate cuts, improved US-China trade relations, then yeah guys, this paints a very bullish picture for the whole market and for the crypto market going forward. And I expect that this year is going to be amazing. So let's now take a look at the short-term price action here. This is the daily time frame for XRP and we're seeing some very interesting signals. Now, first off, we spoke about this downward sloping trend line since the 16th of January. XRP clearly broke its downtrend and we are starting to see the continuation here to the upside. Not only that, if you take a look at the EMA ribbons, we're starting to see a bullish flip of the ribbons. We broke back above the EMA ribbons, which is a very bullish development as well, if you would ask me. So in the immediate short term, if we look at the liquidation heat map, we can see that there is some liquidity below the current price. Here I posted a few hours ago, strong liquidity zone still looms under $2. Stay alert. So guys, if you're playing with high leverage, just be careful as there could be a wick on some exchanges to liquidate a lot of people around the $2 zone where there are a lot of stop losses. So just be careful. I don't want you guys to be in any trouble or to get liquidated. I'm not saying that the price necessarily has to come down to around $2 or so, but there is some liquidity building up around that area. So just be extremely careful. And let me now share some, I would say, support areas for XRP just in case we do see some sort of a pullback. Now, I'm right here on the log chart. If we go to the linear scale, then we can see that the first resistance below us is around 240. We already retested that area earlier today, so I'm not sure whether we're going to see another retest. If we lose 240, then the next support below us is at 236. These levels are very local, so keep that in mind, guys. We also still have this downward sloping trend line, which could get retested as support, but the price already did that today, so just keep that in mind. But be careful if you're playing with high leverage. And lastly, guys, if you're not already following me over on my Instagram account, which I reactivated, definitely make sure to do so. The official link is down below in the video description. I'm posting XRP updates over there, market updates, my personal lifestyle, Q&A sessions. So if you're interested in that, definitely check it out. The link is down below in the video description. And that was it, guys, for today's XRP analysis. Hopefully the video was helpful to you. If it was helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I want to thank you all for watching, for the amazing support, and we see each other very soon with another XRP update. Bye bye.